racing just is started. We have Jeff Prop break quickly at the start, moving up for the outside. Common goal in the middle portion comes Luke of Love, ravishing Rappi, smashing success. Shifty, Dugus favorite, Parrot Bow, Teritun alongside Dex Online, with Violeta Secret. High Packet comes next, Home Run King, while Detective Darrell leads the early trailer. And going along for the first turn, we have Jeff Prapa by our length and a half. Common goal in second. Look of Love is down in third. Shifty comes next. Ravishing Rappi is smashing success. Dugus favorite comes next. Then followed over by Teritun. Next online is Violeta Secret. High Packet, Parrot Mo, Detective Darrell second last, while Home Run King is racing in 13th. And at the far turn, we have Jeff Prop maintaining a 3/4 length lead. About to throw the challenge now on the outside is Common Goal to take the lead. We have Common Goal moves up by our length and a half. Jeff Prop drops back in second. Then here comes Look of Love together with Shifty. Ravishing Rappi likewise now arriving at the scene as they swing for home. We have Common Goal by about 2 lengths. And on the outside now is Shifty. Look of Love comes next with about 100 meters of the race. We have Common Goal by about 3 lengths, followed by Look of Love, Parrot Mo, and finally it's Common Goal, Parrot Mo, Look of Love, Shifty. Then comes Teritun and